Assalamu alaikum. Today I will be making this yummy mutton nihari. For this you will need 2 medium size of onion and half cup of oil. Golden brown the onions, add meat in it, golden brown it, and then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. When it's all mixed up, add 1 cup of water, give it a pressure for like 5 minutes, add yogurt, and then you will have to add the nahari masala in it. You can add the one you make at home or the box one. I usually use the box one, so add like 2-3 tablespoons of nihari masala, give it a mix, mix it properly. I usually use the Shan nihari masala, and then just keep it aside. Now is this, when you open the lid of the pressure cooker, just separate the yakhni, and then just mix the meat until all the masala is all together. And then we're gonna add this nihari paste, the one we made, and then we're gonna mix it all together, and we're gonna be putting the yakhni slowly in it. Now as you can see, it's all mixed together and the oil is up. Add the oil, salt in it, how much ever you want. And now we're going to be adding the yakhni and water, as much shorba you like. Now we're going to be giving a pressure for 5 minutes. Let's prepare the paste for the yakhni to be thick. 3 tablespoons of wheat flour. Give it a stir on the stove until it's light brown, and it gives a nice smell. Add water in it until it gives a really thin. Add this paste to your yakhni, leave it for half hour on low heat, and here it goes.